Okay, just watch this video. Okay, so let me show you how you can create that yourself for absolutely free. So the first thing you want to do is to download this app called Clean AI from your Play Store. Then you're going to upload a video template. For me, I'm going to just choose a video of myself or just a short video of myself and upload right here. So you can use any of your favorite influencers or people dancing and then just body swap them. So now I'm just going to take this video. There are some other templates. Now the next thing is you're going to upload an image that you want to use. So by now you should have gotten your image. Let's say you use AI to refine it the way you want it. But for me, for the purpose of this tutorial, I just want it to be a bit fast. So I'm just going to be downloading a video, an image from Chrome. So now we're going to go to our Chrome and search. Okay, what will I search now? Let's just search Elon. Let's use the boy Elon. All right, and then let's just download this latest picture right here. So if you want to make it look more professional, you have to refine it with ChatGPT and it will bring out better quality. So I'm going to post that. Then the next thing is you could just click on generate, but I like to make my video quality just 720p, because it's a free version. So variation, I just need one. So if you want more than one, you need to use the VIP. So now I'll click on confirm and generate. So let's wait for it to generate. You're going to be seeing the result soon. So take a look at the result right now. Okay, if I was speaking, he will also be speaking. So that's how face swap like that is being made. If you found this video really helpful, please like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, and share to someone who may need it.